Hi, I'm Dr. Madhavi, founder of Celebrity Secrets. Today, I'm going to share with you the journey of Celebrity Secrets. Before delivery, I used to have a very healthy skin and a long thick hair, and I was considered most beautiful and I was happy with my own skin. In 2010, I delivered a baby. After delivering, my skin became very dark. I lost a lot of hair and gained a lot of weight. I couldn't look into the mirror and see the previous Dr. Madhavi. I was very disturbed. I don't know where to go and what to do. I visited lot of top-notch clinics in India and abroad, and nothing worked. After spending a lot of money, energy and time, I was very disappointed. I didn't get the right solution to my problems. That's when I realized there are so many women who are just like me, suffering with so many beauty problems. I traveled across the globe to research a lot of aesthetic medicine from the best aesthetic trainers in the world and the latest German technology and non-invasive procedures, because I believe the best is delivering non-invasive, safe and organic procedures to all the beauty concerns in the world. I equipped myself with the best of knowledge and latest technology to deliver world-class beauty solutions, especially to the South Asian skin. In 2011, my daughter inaugurated Celebrity Secrets. I was very happy that my second child, Celebrity Secrets, was born. So from then, I started upgrading in my skills, technology, in delivering the safe aesthetic medicine procedures. I will continue to upgrade myself forever, because nothing makes me more happy than seeing a happy client with a happy skin.